Hey there, Chrome users. Today we'll show you how to add a search engine in Chrome on your PC. It's a handy feature that allows you to search specific websites directly from the Chrome address bar. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Chrome by clicking on its icon. Once it's launched, you'll see the browser window appear. Step 2. At the top right corner of the browser window, you'll find the More icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Search Engine section. Click on it to open the search engine settings. Step 5. In the search engine settings, you'll see an option called Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Click on it to proceed. Step 6. Now you'll be taken to the Search Engine Management page. Look for the Site Search section and click on the Add button next to it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a search engine in Chrome on your PC. Now you can search specific websites directly from the Chrome address bar. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Chrome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.